Oh no! I'm late again! Jaff, the school bus is leaving right now! Can one small habit save my entire day? Wait! Please wait for me! Is my morning completely ruined forever? A good morning starts with small choices. Making my bed gives me energy for the whole day. 5 more minutes, please. I am too tired. I will clean my messy bed later tonight. Washing your face properly wakes you up fast. A small bit of toothpaste is all you need. Now I feel fresh and ready for the day. Oops, is this too much toothpaste? Ugh, water is everywhere, and I am still so sleepy. I prepared my clothes and packed my school bag last night. Preparing early saves so much stress. My homework is gone! Where is my clean shirt? Everything is a mess!
Don't panic, Jaff. Here is your paper, but next time prepare your bag at night.
Take a little food first so you don't waste it. Eating calmly gives you energy for school. I am super hungry. Oh no, this stack is falling and making a huge mess. Be careful, Jaff. You took too much food and spilled syrup everywhere. Being ready early feels so peaceful. Smart choices make every morning stress-free.
Well done, Huss. Starting your day with good habits leads to great success.
I am so tired and rushed. Being late makes my whole morning feel stressful.
It is okay, Jaff. Tomorrow start early so you can feel calm and happy.
Whoa! Look outside, Huss! Where is the ground? Our entire house is flying! Stay away from the door, Jaff. We are floating high up above the clouds.
Elia, we are flying straight into that huge dark storm!
Hold on to something tight. I need to find out what is controlling this house.
Stay behind me, boys. This glowing bronze shaft goes right through to the roof.
Look, Dad! That glowing weather vane on top might be steering our flying house.
It works! Turning this wheel turns the whole house left and away from danger.
Awesome! Now try making us go lower so we can reach the ground safe.
The controls are stuck! Something outside is blocking the gears and I cannot turn us!
Pull that small ring, Dad. It will clear the gear and set us free.
I can see the ground clearly now. That big green field looks completely safe to land.
A little to the left, Dad. We are going lower very smoothly toward the center. The ground is finally back under our feet. Flarney ever!
We landed safely because we stayed calm, worked as a team, and made smart choices.
Whether flying in the sky or starting a normal morning, good choice is safe. I learned my lesson today. From now on, I am fixing my bad habits for good. Good habits make your day easy, while bad habits bring unnecessary trouble. You are right, Huss. Starting tonight, I will choose good habits like you. Preparing your bag and clothes before going to sleep makes tomorrow morning completely peaceful and stress-free. Look, Huss! I am packing my school bag right now, so I do not rush tomorrow. Awesome job, Jaff! Changing bad habits into good ones is the best choice you can make. Ring! It is time to wake up early today. No more delaying or sleeping late. Look, Huss! My bed is made, neat, and ready waking up.
Impressive, Jaff. Making your bed first thing sets a positive tone for your
Just a pea-sized drop of toothpaste is enough. No wasting toothpaste and no splashing water today. I am taking a small portion first. I can always take more if I am still hungry.
That is very wise, Jaff. Taking only what you can eat saves food and prevents messes.
Because I prepared everything last night, finding my uniform takes less than 10 seconds. Look at the clock, Jaff. We still have 15 extra minutes before the bus arrives.
Starting early changes everything. Have a wonderful and productive day at school, boys.
Hey guys! You two are usually running late. How are you so early today?
I fixed my bad morning habits. Now I wake up early and prepare. Here comes the bus, right on time. No rushing or running behind it today. Boarding the bus calmly feels so much better than chasing it down the road. When you are not stressed about missing the bus, the morning ride feels so peaceful. I know, I used to arrive at school breathless, but today I feel fresh and ready to learn. Whoa, Jack! You are usually sprint running through the school gates before the final bell. Not anymore, George. I am starting a new routine where I am always setting your pencil and notebook ready before the teacher enters helps you focus fast. And my homework is right here in my folder. No crumpled papers or lost assignments today. Night prep! Daily focus! Team effort! Total victory!
Wonderful job today, Jaff. You are prepared, organized, and focused on your work.
Thank you. Being prepared makes learning so much more fun. School is finished! Time for home! See you tomorrow! Bye, buddy. Stay safe. Wash germs away. Clean hands matter. Finish homework early. Now playtime. Playing outside feels awesome. Exercise gives us power. Clean up our gear. Always keep things organized.
Dinner is ready now.
Helping family brings joy.
Chew your food calmly.
Good manners are important. Clear your plate after. Help clean the table. Read books every evening. Reviewing lessons builds confidence. Pack your bag tonight. Tomorrow will be easy. Lay out clean clothes.
Good habits bring peace.
Brush teeth twice daily. Healthy habits keep smile.
Turn off all screens.
Sleep early every night. Rest recovers our energy. Sweet dreams bring power. Plan, fuel, rest, ready, create, share, win, unstoppable. Sunrise starts fresh day.
Good morning, early bird.
Drink water after waking. Stretching wakes your body. Daily exercise keeps your body healthy. Morning workouts give me fresh power.
Fresh fruit juice builds strong immunity.
Healthy drinks are delicious and good.
Always look both ways before crossing.
Following road safety rules protects everyone. Good morning, driver. Thank you always. Polite words make people feel happy. Let me help gather your pencils. True friends always help each other. Libraries are full of amazing knowledge. Reading together makes learning super fun. Listening carefully helps understand difficult lessons. Asking questions makes your mind sharper. Taking care of plants protects nature. Small seeds grow into giant trees. Tying laces tight prevents tripping over. Safety first makes playtime safe. Cleaning mess right away keeps home clean.
Responsible actions make parents very happy.
A clean desk makes it much easier to focus on homework. Sharing good food with friends is the best part of recess. Yeah, and healthy snacks give us energy to play soccer later.
Rinsing the vegetables properly is a very important job, Jaff.
I know! Helping in the kitchen makes dinner taste even better. I need to finish this history chapter before the deadline. It is quiet study time, so I must stay respectful. Changing into fresh play clothes feels so comfortable. Ready for the park with our clean new look. Playing sports outside gives great energy. Catching the frisbee was so exciting. Always wash hands after playing outdoors. Clean habits protect us from germs.
Sharing your day builds strong family.
Good choices made today felt great. Fresh pajamas make sleep very comfortable. Changing clothes marks a good night.
Good morning! New day, fresh energy.
Waking up early gives great confidence.
Healthy breakfast fuels your brain today.
Good morning meals keep us active. Looking sharp and ready today, Jaff. Good preparation creates a successful day. Steady hands make safe science experiments. Teamwork helps us finish on time.
Thank you for helping me, boys.
Carrying heavy bags is my job. Painting requires patience and steady focus. Your yellow mountains look so real.
Playing fairly makes every game fun.
Yeah! Spending time together is the best. Preparing tomorrow's outfit saves morning time. Night routines make mornings stress-free. Good stories bring very peaceful sleep.
You read bedtime stories so well.
Fresh air wakes up your room.
Clean environments create healthy minds always.
Go conquer your day with confidence.
I am ready to learn today. Leaving our classroom tidy shows respect. Working together makes quick work, always. Another successful day completed without stress. Good habits transformed my entire day. Finishing homework early leaves free time.
Your discipline makes me so proud.
Checking off my list guarantees success. Consistency turns efforts into lifelong habits. Clean teeth and clean hands tonight. Hygiene habits keep us healthy always.
Rest well, boys. Great day tomorrow.
Good night, family. Sweet dreams, everyone. Planning ahead turns bad morning habits. Start early, stay calm, win every day.